high mountains and flowing water. Boya was a master musician who played the guqin. He met a woodcutter named Zhong Ziqi. When Boya played about mountains, Ziqi said, "I see high mountains." When Boya played about water, Ziqi said, "I hear flowing rivers." Boya was amazed, "You truly understand my music." They became the best of friends. Ziqi was his soulmate in music. When Ziqi died, Boya smashed his guqin and never played again. A true friend who understands your heart is the rarest treasure.